Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Redmi is updated and responsive. This avoids widget crashes. Once done, unlock the phone and go straight to the home screen you plan to change. You don't need to open settings first. Long press a blank area to reveal wallpaper, widgets, and layout controls. You'll see a dedicated widgets panel and home settings. Tap widgets to begin. This is the first actionable move, because it exposes all available widgets and widget placement tools immediately. Now you add and configure the widget. Tap a widget in the list, then drag it to the desired home page and release. You'll drop it into the grid. Once placed, long press the widget to enter resize mode and adjust using the grid handles so it fits other icons. Make sure to open the widget's internal settings. Many widgets offer update interval, account selection, or permission toggles. If it needs location or storage access, grant it to ensure data updates and proper function. Finish by organizing. Move widgets between pages, create folders, or place frequently used widgets in the dock for instant access. To remove one, long press and drag it to remove or the trash icon. This deletes only the widget, not the app. If a widget stops updating or shows errors, clear the host app's cache, check app permissions, or reinstall the originating app. Reboot the phone as a last step. These steps restore function without resetting your entire layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.